actually my hell kitchen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the ingredients that we will use to make pad kaprao. So first of all, garlic, fresh chili, ground pork, Thai basil, and just simple seasoning like fish sauce, oyster sauce, and seasoning powder. First of all, we have to pound garlic. I'm not sure if I have to peel the outside off, but I really like the taste, so I'm not going to peel it off. So put some garlic. I'm not sure how much, but I like it, so I'm going to put it. Okay. You just pound it with pestle and mortar. Do you have this in your kitchen? Tell me. Just pound it. Doesn't have to be fine. Just to bring out the water of the chili and garlic out, so that your dish should be tasty. Okay. I think this will be just enough. Why I don't blend this in the blender? I think that if we pound this in the pestle and mortar, it will bring out the flavor of garlic and chili. Okay. Add some oil. We are going to use medium to high heat when we stir fry. Okay. This is my turner. Okay, I'm going to put this garlic and chili in the pan. Long enough until you smell. Don't leave it for too long until it burns. Just when you smell it, then it's okay. To be careful, it's going to burn. Now I can smell the garlic. Some Westerners, they don't prefer garlic, but it's the heart of Thai food. You should. Actually, you must put garlic in your food. Okay, now I think it's okay. Next thing we're gonna put is ground pork. I don't have the right portion. Just make sure that it's enough for you to eat. Then you put fish sauce. It depends. If you like salty, you put a lot. Just put it a little bit at a time. Alright, just add everything that I explained. Oyster sauce, seasoning powder, pork flavor. If it's too dry, you put some splash of water. Oh shit, my garlic is burning. some more fish sauce. I can smell spicy in my nose right now. Okay, last thing. Thai basil. Actually, you can turn off the gas and then put it. And it will continue cooking itself. With the heat. Yeah, good. Okay, now it's done. You can serve it with plain rice. I'll show you. Plain rice. It tastes as good as it looks. You can see that it's very simple to cook, but the taste is amazingly delicious. You should try it at your kitchen. So see you next time. Catch up with me what I'm going to cook. Okay, so I have to go now because now I'm crying. Bye!